Namaste, this is Madhu Kumari from Rebel News India. Today is Commonwealth Day. We have a special report on that, but first have a look on Bihar and national news.
Bihar records 228 new COVID-19 cases today, taking total to 2,394 confirmed cases, 11 deaths reported till date. The Bihar government has tweaked the quarantine protocol only for migrants from 11 cities: Surat, Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Pune, Delhi, Ghaziabad, Faridabad, Gurugram, Noida, Kolkata and Bengaluru. At the Patna district, at least 15 of the 48 Bihar military police personnel who were tested positive for coronavirus show sign of recovery. All returned workers will be provided employment in Bihar, says Nitish Kumar. Patna's Mahavir temple to allow devotees in specified time slots based on their names. Highest ever spike of 6,767 COVID-19 cases and 147 deaths in last 24 hours. Total number of cases in the country now at 1,32,755. People in West Bengal protest demanding restoration of power, water supply. UP bans corona patients from keeping mobile phones inside isolation wards of COVID-19 hospitals. 93 nationals arrive in Indore from London in Vande Bharat Special Air India flight. Vande Bharat Mission Air India brings back 50 expectant mothers to their homeland from London. Southwestern Railway ferries 1.9 lakh passengers in Shramik special trains. Kerala Minister urges parents not to get tensed, says safety measures in place. Maharashtra anti-terrorism squad arrest man for making threat call to kill UP CM in bomb blast.
Let's have a look on international front.
Tear gas fired as hundreds in Hong Kong protest against proposed national security laws. The New York Times devotes entire front page to the victims of COVID-19. The edition of May 24, 2020 published the long list of names of people who lost their lives to the coronavirus pandemic in the United States. Benjamin Netanyahu arrives at court for corruption trial, says case aimed at toppling me in any way possible. North Korea's Kim Jong-un holds meeting to discuss bolstering nuke forces. Wuhan lab head calls virus leak claims pure fabrication.
Let's talk about sports and entertainment updates.
Rohit Sharma said that fans give every sport across the globe an additional spark, and they are the ones who make every sport look glamorous. No fans, no saliva, hand sanitizer on boundary. Welcome to a new look T10 cricket playing during coronavirus in Caribbean this week. Japanese female wrestler Hina Kimura has cast in Netflix reality show Rise at 22. Kunal Kohli loses aunt to coronavirus. He said COVID has been harass to our family, won't break our love and memories. Priyanka Chopra shares glam monochronic pic in expectation versus reality post, crack up her fans. Rashmi Desai says she is fully and deeply in love, but there is a catch. Hrithik Roshan impressed with innovative fan art that shows his transformation from Kahona Pyar Hai to war.
As I have said earlier, we have a special report on Commonwealth Day, so have a look on that.
Commonwealth Day is an annual celebration observed by people all over the Commonwealth in Africa, Asia, the Caribbean and Americas, the Pacific and Europe. In India, Commonwealth Day is celebrated on May 24 on the birth date of Queen Victoria, who was born on May 24, 1819. Previously, Commonwealth Day was named as Empire Day, but in 1958, Empire Day was changed to Commonwealth Day. On this day, the Queen delivers an address to the Commonwealth which is broadcast throughout the world. Commonwealth Day commemorates the Commonwealth of Nations, which is a union of some countries that used to be a part of British Empire. The Commonwealth Secretariat supports Commonwealth member countries to achieve development, democracy and peace. This year, the theme of Commonwealth Day is delivering a common future, connecting, innovating, transforming, which offers opportunities for the people, parliaments, government, and institutions of the Commonwealth to connect and work together at many levels through far-reaching and deep-rooted networks of friendship and goodwill. Commonwealth Day is celebrated on different dates across the world. UK, Australia and Canada celebrate the day on the second Monday of March.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.